chance of rain 50%. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina, southwestern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, east central Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, until 8:30 p.m. At 8:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Pireway, or 7 miles north of Little River, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Longs around 8:10 p.m. Bug Hill around 8:15 p.m. Doom around 8:20 p.m. Loris, Bethel, Goretown, and Molly around 8:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Loris Community Hospital. This includes U.S. Route 17 in Brunswick County between mile markers 1 and 5. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. And now taking a look